everybody. We're so glad you joined us on our channel, Southern Belles, and I say us because...
Hi everybody, I'm off camera.
She's off camera again tonight because, again, it is late. This just seems to be the time when we get together, that we get to see each other during the day, and she's worked all day, and she's a little bit tired, so she's...
Yes, I worked with kindergartners 8 hours this morning, and then with 2- and 3-year-olds for about 4 hours this afternoon, so I'm whipped.
And she's indulging her mother by doing this, but I just couldn't
wait.
Because
I love her.
I just couldn't wait for this because today I got a Fashom. And I'm really excited about this. I really have enjoyed Fashom. It's a styling service that you go on their website and you request a box. So it's not monthly. It's not a what's the word? It's not a consistent type service. What I mean by consistent is it's not every month or every 2 weeks. You just go in and you request it when you're ready for it. Your first 2 stylings are actually free right now. And then on your third one and thereafter, it is a $15 styling charge. So this is my 4th box, and I am so excited to get into it because when I requested mine, I requested jeans. I don't have a lot of jeans. You know, I taught school, and there was really not a need for them at the time. But now that I've got a little more time on my hands and everything, then I decided I'd like to have some. And I've been watching a lot of the other YouTubers, and they have gotten some of the cutest jeans. So I asked them if they could give me a pair of jeans that had just a little something extra, whether it was a stripe down the side or a frayed hem or something like that. And they really delivered. Molls is my stylist, and I'm assuming she is again. And when I saw the preview, I was very excited about it. Now with Fashom, you do request, and then within 2 to 3 days, business days, they will send you a preview of about 7 items, and from that preview, you choose the 5 that you want sent to you.
That's the hardest part.
Yes, exactly. Sometimes you want all 7, you know. But I'm ready to get into this, and I'll explain a little bit more about how Fashom works as we go along.
Let's get to it.
Okay, I am ready.
She has been very excited about this particular box. Yes. There are some really cute things, I think, in here.
I also requested some dresses, too. Some dresses I can wear to church, so. All right, so when I open the box, it looks like this. And you have your paperwork on top. That
looks like a Furman emblem.
It does, doesn't it? It has your paperwork with your items and your invoice. You also have this bag that you can return anything that you don't want. Shipping is free both ways. So when you return, you just pop what you don't want in the bag and put it in your mailbox or take it to the post office. Okay. And I think I saw Favor on her YouTube channel wearing a dress that is in here. I'm pretty sure it was. It looked a lot like it. Yes, look at this. Pretty colors, some stripes. Oh, and that feels soft. And on this side. Okay, so here we go. Oh, how cute. I couldn't tell what the pattern was on the preview, but it looks like little bows.
Aww.
And
cute.
This is one of the dresses, and I didn't expect the material to feel like this, but I really like it. It's kind of
that's adorable.
A flowy knit. And she knows me so well. Guess what color it is?
Navy.
Navy and white. Can't get better than that.
Cute.
Okay. And here is the next dress.
Oh, that's sweet.
Cute little striped dress with on the end, you can say the stripes are going vertically, and then around the hemline, they're going horizontally. So that's a very cute summer dress.
It is very summery.
Okay. And then here, can't find the can't find the top of it. There we go.
Oh, I forgot about this piece.
Yes, this is a cardigan. And I actually have a cardigan in this color, so I'm anxious to see if there's enough of a difference to justify keeping it. But
that cardigan will match either of those dresses that you got too. It'll match either one of them.
And I believe she said that in the note that I saw on the website. And it is a lighter cardigan, lighter weight cardigan than the other one I have in this color. Okay.
Here they are.
Here they are.
The moment of truth. Oh, those are sweet.
And I did tell her that I'm not crazy about a lot of distressing. Like, I don't want holes in the knees or anything. But I don't mind. I don't know if you can see that right there. I don't mind that kind. But look at the cuffs of these.
That's so fun.
Isn't that cute? And it's that detail that I was really, really looking for. So I'm anxious to see what these look like on me. Hopefully they're not too young looking for me. And then there is this pretty button-up blouse. And again, I'm not really big on blouses that button all the way down, but there was just something about this one that struck me. I love the pattern.
That is the perfect springtime gardening pattern. I can see you outside and with a shovel and a gardening hat in that shirt.
I just thought it was so cute. So, all right, I am ready to do the try-on. So, I will be back momentarily.
Let's do it.
All right, so here's the first thing that I put on. This pretty shirt, this floral shirt. And
this is the Passport button-down shirt, and it's $35.
I like this shirt. It's very lightweight and it's very soft. A good weight for this time of year, and just I love the pattern. And I had a couple of different tanks that I could put under here, and also tried a while ago. I tried tying it, you know.
Oh, I bet that's cute.
Like that.
Yeah.
So there's a couple of different ways that you could wear it. You could button it all the way up. Well, I can't get it. You can button it all the way up.
Well, I like that.
So I think it would be pretty versatile.
Cute.
You know. Okay. And then here are the jeans.
These are the cut from the cloth Catherine Boyfriend wide cuff jeans, and they're $57, and they're the most expensive thing in the fashion box.
I really like these jeans.
They
and
look so cute.
Well, I will confess, I had a hard time getting them up. I have been on trying to lose just a few pounds here, and I don't think the jeans knew that. They were hard to get pulled up, but I told Rebecca, the longer I'm wearing them, the looser they seem to be getting. So I'm not sure, and I'm not sure if I can size up or not, but they are so cute. They have, I don't know if I can get the distressing up here. They have a little bit of distressing here, and then just a whoop, then just a tiny bit here. And then just the detail on the cuffs.
Are so cute.
The pearl and silver little balls. I really, really like these jeans. So I'm hoping I can figure something out to make them work. Whether it's going up a size, or maybe just wearing them to see if they will stretch a little bit. Because they already feel better than they did when I first tried to get them on. So
let us know if you know if we can resize. Just let us know below in the comments, because those are worth keeping in some way because they are so cute.
And they are cut from the cloth, which I've heard of the brand, but this is the very first pair I've ever tried. So let us also know if they stretch out. If you have a pair cut from the cloth, do they tend to stretch out, or do they pretty much stay true? Because they didn't feel as stretchy as, say, Liverpool or those kinds of brands like that. So yeah, just let us know. But I think it's very cute. It's different for me. It's a very light wash. I usually go for the darker wash, but there's just something about these jeans I really, really like.
They're cute.
All right, I'm gonna go try on the dresses now. All right, here is my next piece, and I am.
She looks like a baby doll.
I'm pleasantly surprised by this. Now, please keep in mind I have no shapewear on at the moment, so don't judge too much. And excuse my pasty white legs, but that's just the way it is right now. I like this dress so much. The movement of it, it's the material that it is, and it just moves so nicely. It comes down to my knee, which I like. I don't need a short dress. You know, knee or longer is fine with me. I don't think it comes down too low. It's just a really sweet, nice feeling dress.
This is the Gilli short sleeve V-neck dress with darts knit. It's $39, which is a great price for a dress like that, I think.
I like the Gilli dresses. I've never had one, but the ones I see other people getting.
I think that's what I got in my last Fashom was a Gilli dress.
Was it?
The one that I liked so much and almost kept, but didn't.
Just the way that this feels, I'd be tempted to keep it on just the feel alone because it's.
That is so
I can't
sweet.
even describe it. And like I said, I think the movement is really nice. I like the little slinky. You know, when you were a little girl and you spun all the way around. So, and I'm going to put the cardigan on over it. It's kind of that waterfall, I guess.
That's nice. It looks good.
I like the color of it too. What is this one?
That is the Chris and Carol Rayon knit cardigan, and it's $30.
And it's soft as well. Lightweight and soft.
It's a perfect weight for this time of year.
It really is. And Molls, I think you know me because the color scheme is definitely me.
It's
everything
all
that you sent. So yeah. I don't know. Let me know what you think about this. I'm liking it. So I don't know. It maybe sometimes what you see on camera and what you see in the mirror are a little bit different. So I'll have to check in on that. Okay, I have one more dress to try on, and I'll be right back. Okay, and here's my last piece. It is this cool, nice dress, and I know it needs steaming, you know, coming out of the box and everything. It's just, what would you call this? A shift? That's not, is this a shift dress? I'm not sure. It has pockets, and the really neat thing is it is lined. So in the summer, it would be so cool because you wouldn't have to wear your slip and all that kind of thing under it. It does have this cute little cutout detail right here. It's got kind of wider, I don't know if that's a halter. I don't know exactly what you would call that, but it's comfortable, and I think it's not too bare for me. And then it does have the button closure in the back, and it has these pretty stripes on it. And my daughter, it was so funny, Rebecca just said, that would look cute with a blue jean jacket.
She denim jacket already. Also, this is the Mittoshop pinstripe cutout woven dress, and it's $45.
And it's really comfortable and cool and breezy. And
this is cute with a jean jacket.
It would be so easy, like if you were going, you know, shopping or something on a Saturday, to just boom, pull this out.
Or if you were going to like a casual sit down dinner, you know, like a Cheesecake Factory or somewhere like that. That would be the perfect wear for that.
How much did you say this one was?
This one is $45.
$45. Molls, you outdid yourself, and I'm going to have to really make some decisions here.
She's going to have to get you because it's all so cute. And
I love everything. I just need to sit down and see exactly, I guess, what I need the most, or what's the total price of this box?
So the subtotal is $206, but that's before the 3+ item 25% discount. If you keep 3 or more items, that's 25% off. If you keep all 5 items, then that takes off $51.50, which would bring your total to $154.50, which I think is great for the items that are in this box. 2 dresses, a pair of jeans,
cardigan, and a shirt.
That's really nice.
I mean, that's $30 an item, more or less. Oh my. See, the hard part is I've got a stitch fix coming in next week. Oh wow. Because I could tell you this could very easily be a 5 for 5 because I love everything. The one concern I had is with the jeans and the fit of them. But as I said, as I wore them, they seemed to get a little more comfortable. So yeah, I'm gonna try one more thing on. I'm gonna try the cardigan, this cardigan on with this dress as well. This is a cute little cardigan. How it, see this in the back? How it kind of gathers around there.
That's a sweet cardigan.
This dress, with the neutrality of it, you could wear all kinds of different cardigan colors and things like that with it. So, I don't know, this might be another option. I think I like the jacket better, but it's an option. So yeah, please help me out. Let me know what you like, which piece. Choose one piece that you think was the absolute best, and let me know which one that is, because right now I'm liking them all and I may have to narrow it down. I don't know. But I thank you so much. We thank you so much for joining us tonight. And if you would and haven't already, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you'll be notified of when our next videos are coming up. And like I said, I have a stitch fix coming in next week, so we should have that one up pretty soon. We're trying to post twice a week, Wednesday and then sometime in the weekend, Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. We haven't quite got it narrowed down yet, but we do try to post twice a week. And we thank you so much. If you've already subscribed to our channel, thank you so much. We do appreciate you. And we will see you next time. Thank you for joining us.
Bye.
Bye-bye.